How many of you would want to manifest an abundant 2025? And how many of you would want to live and experience limitless opportunities and effortless success in 2025, created by following your true passion and your full expression? I do. My name is Kate, and today I wanted to share with you a few concepts that helped me to unleash the power within me to create true magic in alignment with my purpose and my passion that any of us can do. And the first step to do that is releasing the old conditioning that we all come with from our ancestors, from our parents, that is encoded in our DNA, in our cellular memories, in our body and subconscious mind, and that keeps us stuck and keeps us running and recreating the same circles, the same reality over and over again, that drives and defines our mindset, defines our thoughts, defines our feelings, and therefore makes us create and live the same moments, limited by our belief system. And I was lucky enough a few years ago, I finally reached after more than 20 years of self-development, personal development, spiritual work, I've reached a level of consciousness that allowed me to finally release and heal this conditioning, generational patterns passed to me, and that I've accumulated for all the years of my life, especially, of course, in the childhood years. And that allowed me to raise my vibration and change my perception to a point where I finally seen how we create this reality. And as many of you probably, I was watching millions of videos, trying to understand how this manifestation works, how we do create the reality. And it's actually very, very simple and easy. It happens, of course, we are all very powerful manifestors. It happens every single moment of our day. We manifest, this is the fullest expression, the fullest manifestation that we've ever could reach, we're just manifesting from our frequency. We're manifesting from the vibration that we hold. And once we manage to raise the vibration, once we manage to release this conditioning that keeps our vibration low, no matter what we do and no matter how much we work on our mindset, that's when the shift happens. And that's when we start realizing and seeing the beauty of life and the power within us to create the realities that we want. So today, being very, very close to 2025, and I know it's a time where many people work on their intentions, work on their goals, work on their beliefs and mindset, setting a new threshold for their development. This is a perfect time to tune into the magic of the vibration of Christmas and New Year, and start creating the reality that you would want to experience in 2025. And if I were to share the 3 simple steps that are going to definitely help you to raise your vibration, there would be, first, to be aware of your thoughts, because your thoughts are defined by your belief system. Never be afraid of having bad thoughts or fears or doubts, because they are coming to show you there is something in your belief system that needs to be released. And you have an absolute power to heal and release that by going within, by going in the moment of silence and mindfulness, so whatever you call it, in the source, where no physical mind is active and it's only higher mind that is active and it's guiding you. And actually this higher mind is giving you all the guidance and support and love that you will ever need. So going in that space, you can call it source, you can call it God, you can call it quantum field. It's just a vibration at the end, it's just a frequency that allows you to connect to your higher self and your higher mind, and to release all the conditioning that your physical mind has been building and that you've been also passed through your DNA again, and that is within your cellular memories. It allows you to release all of them, one by one, from the deepest to the smallest, right? So never be afraid of your fears. They come to serve you. They come to identify and show you what are the beliefs that need to be released. And the second is follow your passion. Live life with passion every day. When you wake up, choose to act on things that make you happy, that bring you joy, that bring you happiness. Act on them without any attachment to the result. Because the attachment to the result is what prevents us from manifesting our desired reality and brings us back into the lack consciousness and into the lack mindset. So follow your passion without no expectations in terms of results. I mean, you can expect the results, but don't be attached to the form of how you want this result to appear, right? Or to manifest or to create. And do as much as you can for your passion, for your purpose. And do it with absolute joy and open heart. And you will see that it will bring you fulfillment. It will bring you amazing results. The ones that are aligned with your purpose. And it will allow you to learn more about you. To learn what is your true purpose. To learn what is your true mission. What is it exactly? What is the impact that you want to create in your life by helping others? And the third point is focus on serving. Focus on helping others, because we are all one. We are all one in the source. We are all one within this amazing frequency of pure consciousness. We are all one within the God. And by helping each other, by serving each other, without any expectation, we bring joy to each other. And if we do it again with an open heart and from the truest, deepest expression of our soul, an expression of our purpose, the universe will return this service and this joy to us multiplied thousands of times. And this is the only way that allows us to keep the vibration high and keep elevating the vibration and frequency we live in to attract even more and more and more abundance. So my message to you today is to live 2025 and the rest of the moments of this third dimension expression in complete unity with your higher self, in complete unity with your purpose and with your higher mind, with an open heart to serve more and more and more people with your talents, with the gifts that you've been given to express your purpose and express your mission, and detach from any form, any identification, any results that your physical mind could suggest that you need to experience in your life. Because at the end, physical mind does not have any clue of what kind of results you need to have in order to really feel fulfilled and happy in this life, in this expression. Only the higher mind knows it, and only the higher mind can create it. Physical mind cannot create it. It can only bring you to your belief system, and it only can bring you to creating limitations in your life. So my message to you today is follow your higher mind, follow your divine heart, follow your purpose, follow your passion, and live the magic of every day with complete gratitude, complete joy, complete happiness, and absolute certainty that you are one with the Creator. You're one with this magic power that is absolutely omnipotent, that is absolutely limitless and absolutely unconditional. And I wish you a beautiful, beautiful, abundant, fulfilled, happy, joyful, and aligned with your purpose new year. And I believe in you. I believe that you can create great impact in this world by using your gifts and by following your passion. Lots of love and happy 2020.